This is a human brain. Aristotle held one of these and decided it was a radiator, something to stop the heart overheating, basically a fan. He thought you did your remembering with your chest, and the argument about which one was right ran for the next 2,000 years. Now, he wasn't being lazy about this. Aristotle was one of the great observers of the ancient world, and he wrote down exactly what he found.
He said the brain is the coldest thing in the body. He said there is no blood inside it. He said you can cut into it, and it does not feel a thing.
And here is the part that should worry you. He was right. All three. Every single observation was correct. Because he was looking at a brain that had been dead for hours. And a dead brain really is cold. It really is drained. It really doesn't feel anything. The living one is the opposite of all three. It runs warmer than the rest of you. It is soaked in blood. It takes about a fifth of every breath you draw. He never saw that. He couldn't. His specimen made his mistake for him. So watch what changes when the specimen is alive. 400 years later, a doctor in Rome got hold of a pig, a live one, squealing its head off. He tied a thread around the nerves running up to its voice box and pulled it tight. The squealing stopped. The pig kept breathing, kept struggling. It just had no voice left. Then he loosened the thread, and the squealing came straight back. Same question. Living specimen. Right answer. And now, we can go further than that. In a mouse, you can label the exact cells that switch on while it learns to be frightened of a particular room. Then you put it somewhere completely different, somewhere nothing bad has ever happened to it, and you switch those same cells back on with a pulse of light. And the mouse freezes. Nobody deduced that. Nobody argued it. You can just watch it happen. Aristotle had the right method. He had the wrong specimen. So we've got it now. A memory is a pattern in the brain, and we can switch it on and off like a light. That's settled, surely. Except that is exactly what every single person in this story thought. Aristotle had the best evidence available in the world. He used it properly, and he was completely wrong. The men who corrected him were certain, too. Every one of them was working with the best specimen they could get their hands on. So are we. And ours is a brain we can only take fully apart once it has stopped. We are still looking at something dead and asking it what it did when it was alive. For thousands of years, we were certain that memories were kept in the heart. We were wrong. Now we are certain they are kept in the brain. What if that is also wrong?